So are you ready to do this week's mathematics? Let's start. You can do all these activities as often as possible. Repetition is the key to your child's progress. The more you practice, the better you'll become. So guys, practice your maths every single day. Listen to mommy and daddy and do all these nice activities. Guys, take some photos, make some videos and send it to me or to your teacher. We would love to hear from you. And if you send us some pictures and videos, there is a big surprise. Yes, I will let Steve send you a personal video. Steve!
Yes?
I just told the children that if they send us some videos and some pictures of their work, that you will send them a special message. Isn't that a great idea?
Yes, it is, and I promise I will do it.
Oh, that's very kind of you, Steve.
But only
yes,
if I see their work.
Okay, great. But they will send it to me or to their teacher, and we will show you. Are you ready for the math activities?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's start, guys. First, let's name our colors. Now, the color will flash on the screen. Mommies and daddies, help if needed or correct if needed. Guys, you can just shout out the answer to me. I know all our grade R's know their colors very well. Let's start. Here comes our first color. Very nice. And the next one. You can just shout out the answers, guys. And the next one. And the next one. And the next one. And the next one. Well done. You are doing a great job. Only a few colors to go. Perfect. And the next one. And the next one. The next one. Well done. You are super smart, grade R's. Let's go on to our shapes. Let's name our shapes. Now, the shape will appear on the screen. Mommies and daddies, you can help them again if needed. Are you ready, grade R's? Super. Let's go. Our first shape. The next one. Who tell me this one? Well done. And this one. And this one. And this one. Well done. Who can tell me this shape? Oh my goodness, you are so smart. Our last shape? Yes, I knew everyone will know this one. Perfect. You did a great job. Let's go on to our next activity. Counting. Grade R's, you must be able to count up until number 40. If you can go higher, that is super awesome. And then you can count higher. So let's all count together. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Well done, guys. Now you can count for mommy and daddy. Show them how well you can do your counting. Let's go on to our next activity, and that is recognizing our numbers. Now, grade R's, you need to be able to recognize your numbers up until number 20. The numbers will flash randomly on the screen, and then you can shout out the answer to me. Mommies and daddies, please have a look and just help if needed. Let's go. And our first number is very nice. Well done, guys. Let's go on to our next number. And the next one. Remember, you can just shout out the answer to me. You're doing a super great job. The next one. And the next number. And the next number. And the next one. Well done. And the next one. And the next one. You are super smart, grade R's. Only a few more numbers to go. And the next one. And the next one. Let's go on. The next one. And the next one. Well done. The next one. And the next one. The next one. You are doing a great job, grade R's. Only 2 more numbers to go. And our last one. Well done. You can clap hands for yourself. You did a great job. Let's go on to our next activity. You can still keep on practicing recognizing your numbers with mommy and daddy. Counting in 5s. Can you still remember how to count in 5s, guys? Remember, that's when we count only every 5th number. Yes, and we will do it up until number 40. Are you ready? Let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Well done. You are super smart. And remember to practice counting in 5s every single day. Let's go on to our next activity. Counting backwards. Oh, that is so much fun. Let's do a blast off. And I know how you love to do a blast off at school. So we will do our blast off from number 15. Counting backwards from number 15. Are you ready? Let's go. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Well done, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Let's go on to our next activity. Days of the week. Okay, guys, let's show mommy and daddy how nicely we can say our days of the week. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Sorry, let's go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Well done. Now, who can tell me how many days do we have in a week? You can shout out the answer. Perfect. Well done. 7 days in a week. Let's go on to our next activity. Months of the year. Let's show mommy and daddy how nicely we can say our months of the year. Are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Well done. You guys tell me how many months we have in a year? Correct. We have 12 months in a year. Now is also a great opportunity to tell me when is your birthday. So guys, shout out your birthdays. My birthday is in July. When is your birthday? I would love to hear when your birthday is. Let's go on to our next activity. Oh guys, this is my new friend and his name is Ben. Now Ben is here today to help us practice our body parts. So an arrow will point at a certain body part and then you can shout out what that body part is. So are you ready? Let's go. And the arrow is pointing to, yes, your head. Well done. Now the arrow is pointing to, shout out the answer, guys. Perfect, your ears. And the arrow is pointing at, well done, your hands. Let's go on. And the arrow is pointing to, yes, your fingers. Well done, guys. And the arrow is now pointing at your arms. The next one is a difficult one. Let's see who can shout out the answer to this one. And the arrow is pointing to, well done, your elbows. Oh, guys, you are super smart. Let's see the next one. What is the arrow pointing to now? Perfect, your body. And the arrow is pointing to your feet. Well done. And now the arrow is pointing to, oh, perfect, guys, your toes. What is the arrow pointing to now? Yes, correct, your knees. Only a few body parts to go. Let's go on. Who can tell me what the arrow is pointing to now? Yes, it's Ben's neck. Well done. And now the arrow is pointing to his legs. Well done, guys. What is the arrow pointing to now? Correct, his mouth. And look, he has a big smile on his face. And the arrow is now pointing to an easy one, your nose. Well done. And it's pointing to your eyes. You are super smart. Oh, this is a little bit more difficult. What is the arrow pointing to now? Correct, your eyebrows. Well done, guys. You are doing a great job. And our last one, this is an easy one. It's pointing to your hair. Well done. Thank you, Ben, for helping us today. Guys, now you can practice your body parts every day. And I hope you have lots of fun. Let's go on to our next activity. Let's do some patterns. Oh, I like to do patterns. And you can use anything in the house. You can use the cutlery in the kitchen. You can use, the knives, the forks, and the spoons. Or mommy, daddies, you can cut out shapes out of paper, different colors, and then the children can do patterns at home. So the shapes will flash on the screen, and then you will know what the pattern is, and then we will complete the pattern. Are you ready? Circle, triangle, rectangle. Well done. Let's complete this pattern. Circle, triangle, rectangle. Perfect. Now the next pattern that we are going to do is a little bit more difficult, and I'm going to let you do it by yourself because I know how clever you are. So yet again, the shapes will flash on the screen, and then you can complete the pattern. Are you ready? Let's go. Pink triangle, blue square, red heart, and purple rectangle. Now, guys, you can shout out the answer to me. Let's complete the pattern. Here we go. And the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Let's see if you were correct. Pink triangle, blue square, red heart, and purple rectangle. Perfect, guys. You are super smart, and I'm very proud of you. Let's go on to our next activity. Mommies, daddies, you guys can practice patterns during the week with all different things. I hope you have fun. Now we're coming to writing. Guys, it's very important when you write that you sit up straight and that you hold your pencil correctly. And when you hold your pencil, 3 worker fingers only. You cannot hold your pencil with your whole hand. And no lazy thumbs. You have to keep your wrist straight. I am going to teach you today how to write your numbers correctly so that you can be ready for grade 1. Are you ready? And we are starting with number 1. Let's go. This is an easy one. Down the ladder and lift your hand. Very easy, guys. And also remember, we are not coloring. We are busy writing. So no up and down, only once. Let's go on to number 2. You ready? Let's go. Around the head, down the long neck, and sharp tail. And you lift your hand. That is very good. Let's go on to number 3. And we always start at the top we are writing. So we will start at the teddy bear's head. Let's go. Are you ready? Around the teddy bear's head and around the teddy bear's body, and then you lift your hand. Do not lift your hand in the middle. Around the head and around the body, lift your hand. Well done, guys. You are super smart. Let's go on to number 4. Just want to remind you, use your 3 worker fingers. Number 4. Down the ladder, straight line, lift your hand and make a short tail. Down the ladder you come, straight line, lift your hand and make a short tail. Well done. 5. Number 5 is a little bit tricky, but if you watch the video nicely, you will be able to do it. I know, because you are super smart. Let's do number 5. Come down short neck, around the fat tummy, lift your hand, make a little hat so that the sun won't burn you. Down the short neck, around the fat tummy, lift your hand, make a hat so that the sun won't burn you. And there you go, a perfect number 5. Let's do number 6. And remember, we always start at the top. So there where the pom-pom is on Noddy's hat, we will start there. Let's go. Down Noddy's hat, around Noddy's face, and lift our hand. Well done. Down Noddy's hat, around Noddy's face, and lift your hand. That is perfect. Let's go to number 7. This is an easy one. Are you ready? Remember 3 worker fingers. Straight line, come down the ladder. That's an easy one. Straight line, come down the ladder. Perfect, guys. That is great. Let's go to number 8. Remember your 3 worker fingers. And we're going to start at the tiger's head. Are you ready? Around the head, around the body, and come up again. Well done. That is perfect. Let's go to number 9. Can you see the man has a backpack on his back? So we will start at the top where the backpack is. So let's do number 9. Around the backpack, up the ladder and down the ladder, and lift your hand. Around the backpack, up the ladder and down the ladder, and lift your hand. Well done. Now we're going to our last number, number 10. Number 10 is an easy one, guys. Down the ladder you come and lift your hand. Then you go to your 0. Oh, sorry. Let's see if I can go back. I clicked it too fast. Let's see. Yes, around the swimming pool. Close the gate and lift your hand. Well done. And guys, remember, if you can write number 1 to number 10, you can write all the numbers in the world. So practice doing number 1 to number 10 correctly, and then you can write any number you want. You must have fun, and just remember, use your 3 worker fingers and always start at the top. Let's go on to our next activity. Oh, this is going to be lots of fun. It's word sums. We're going to do some plus, adding, and we will do some subtracting, minus. I'm just going to show you 2 of each. Mommies and daddies, then you can go on and you can practice word sums. You can use anything as counters that's in the house. Crayons, Legos, spoons, anything that they can pack out and then count to give you the correct answer. So guys, are you ready? Our first 2 sums are plus, adding, making it more. Let's go. Teacher Danelle gives you 5 cookies. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, Steve gives you 3 cookies. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. This equals, how many cookies do you have, guys? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct, guys. You have 8 cookies. Well done. You are super smart. Let's go on to our next one. Okay, so Teacher Danelle gives you 4 hearts. Are you ready? 4 heart sweeties. That's what we will call them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus, Steve gives you 6 cloud sweeties. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this equals, how many sweets do you have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Yes, now you have 10 sweeties, and I hope you will share them with me. Let's go on to our next word sum. Yes, guys, we are now going to do some minus word sums, subtracting. And can you remember, guys, this means making it less. It's when the cookie monster comes and eats your cookies. Can you remember how we did it in class? Great. Let's go on. Teacher Danelle gives you 8 cookies. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the cookie monster comes and he eats 3 of your cookies. So 8 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. And here comes the cookie monster, guys. Look nicely. And he eats 3 of your cookies. 1, 2, 3. How many cookies do you have left? Quickly count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super smart. Well done. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Let's go on to the next one. Teacher Danelle gives you 6 cookies. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then Steve and the cookie monster comes and eats 4 of your cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes the cookie monster. 1, 2, 3, 4. And gone are your 4 cookies. How many cookies do you have left? Let's count them. 1, 2. Correct. Well done. You only have 2 cookies left. 6 minus 4 equals 2. So now, mommies and daddies, you can practice some more word sums with the children at home. Hope you have lots of fun. Okay, guys, a last few things to remember and activities that you can do at home. Recognizing your own written name and surname. Mommies, daddies, write their name and surname and a few other friends and family members' names and surnames on paper and then they must find their own name. Learn mommy or daddy's cell phone number because, guys, that is very important to always know one of your parents' cell phone numbers. Then, distinguish between big and small, full and empty. Do some one-to-one counting, 1 to number 20. Use objects in the house like blocks, Lego or crayons. Sorting. You can sort your Lego box. Sort all the colors. If you have shapes, then you can sort all the shapes together. Cutlery or Lego. Just do some sorting. Then some spatial relation. Mommy, put a chair in the TV room and then ask the children to stand on top of the chair, under the chair, behind the chair, stand next to the chair. You can do all these different activities with that chair. And then lastly, guys, you need to practice when is your birthday. Please let me know when your birthday is. I would love to hear. I hope you had lots of fun with me today and all the math activities. Until next time, bye-bye.